Hi guys, and welcome to Holistic Life with Kristen. Today I got the worst craving for a milkshake, chocolate milkshake. So I've made this instead, and it's so much healthier and it will absolutely fill the craving. Okay, let me show you how to make this. So I'm going to start by adding some frozen bananas into my blender, and then I'm going to add some Oikos 000 vanilla yogurt. And you can use another yogurt if you don't like this one. It's just that this one is reasonably low in Weight Watchers points and still tastes very good. So that's what I use. Next, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons worth of peanut butter powder. And just, of course, try not to make a big old mess like I just did. And I just use the original PB Fit or PB Fit Classic. Next, I'm going to add a healthy spoonful of this Hershey's unsweetened cocoa powder. This particular brand is 0 Weight Watchers points. Some of the other brands do have like a point, but this brand is 0 points as long as you use like a spoon of it. And then I'm just adding some milk. You can use whatever type of milk that you would normally use, but I just finished off the gallon. And then you can adjust it, you can blend it, and then add more milk later if you need to adjust the consistency of your milkshake. So once you've kind of blended it up, I usually try to just go down the sides with a little spatula to get it all down in the blender, and then blend one more time. This is also a good time to check the consistency. Once you have the consistency where you like it, you can go ahead and pour it. And of course, it's optional, but I do like to garnish this with a little bit of Cool Whip. This is the 1 Weight Watcher point, 0 sugar, the 0 sugar Cool Whip. Okay guys, our chocolate milkshake is ready. Really good. If you did not realize that this was a healthier version of a milkshake, you would never know. This is every bit as sinful as a regular chocolate milkshake. Push that whipped cream down in there. Sorry for my messiness. So good, guys. Give this a try. You're going to love it. The best way to make these shakes is to save all of your bananas that are turning brown. I usually put those in the freezer, and then those make the perfect milkshakes because they're much sweeter. As they start to brown, although I don't like to eat them fresh, they have a lot more sweetness once they start to turn brown. So those are perfect, the perfect thing to put in a milkshake. So don't ever let your bananas go bad. You can make delicious smoothies, milkshakes, and ice cream. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. I'm gonna go enjoy my milkshake, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.